Hi, John. How you doing? So let's take a look at your pamphlet here, and I just want to I want to draw your attention to a couple of things. Now, I when you designed the pamphlet, I'm not real sure if you took a look and pulled those guides, because I'm going to pull some guides right now where the folds of the pamphlet would be, and you will see. And this is based on the pamphlet mock-up, and here is your setup right here. So this is 4 inches, 4 inches, and then this is 3.93. So again, almost 4. You just, you offset that a little bit for the fold. But anyways, I'm just going to roughly draw these guides where they're going to reside in your brochure, and then here's on this side. So now, as you can see, when these guides drop, and those are just based on those 4-inch center panels. So as you can see, your fold is just decimating your type, your setup. Basically, what you have here is a 3-column grid that you can start to use. Okay, it's not equal columns, of course, because your center panel is twice the width of each of your side panels. So, but what you don't want is you don't want things crossing the fold. Okay, that's just not going to make any sense, because in a gatefold, these would fold in. This is your back cover, which you have to put something on there. You can't just leave it blank. And see how this is all out of alignment. And then this is completely halfway off the fold. And then the center route, we can see the same thing. The map. First, I wouldn't use a map for a whole panel. I wouldn't. I think it's just, I mean, when it comes time to look at this portfolio time, people, portfolio reviewers, people who are looking at this are going to say, I wonder why this designer elected to take a whole panel of an inside gatefold and put a map there. It just seems like a placeholder type of thing. So, and then the next thing I want to talk about typographic hierarchy and consistency. Okay, you've got 3 different headlines here basically, and you've got 3 different type treatments for each one. Okay, these need to be absolutely consistent. Otherwise, you have no typographic hierarchy at all. If these are consistent, the viewer will naturally go through the presentation. So again, visual hierarchy, typographic hierarchy, and use of the grid, I think, are the 3 most important things that, and alignment, the 4 most important things I think that we'll have to consider here moving forward. Okay, if you have any questions, please feel free to give me a holler. Thanks.